Malakas din ba ang chance ni Annabel McDonald for Miss Globe 2025? Kaya pag-usapan na natin ang first impression ko sa mga early performance ni Annabel McDonald all the way to the preliminary competition ng Miss Globe 2025. Pag-usapan natin yung pinaka-forte ni Annabel McDonald, which is yung Q&A. So dito sa kanyang interview, the question is, I want to talk about the theme of Miss Globe this year, which happens to be red and black. What's your interpretation? So sabi niya dito, first, I really love the colors. They're quite bold. But at the same time, I love how they pay homage to Albania, which has been the host of Miss Globe pageant for a really long time. So, moreover, I think Black on a more philosophical note reminds me of all the tragedies in life that blindsided us sometimes, but at the same time, Black is also a color of power. And then I think it symbolizes strength that you have to call upon yourself when you face struggles or challenges in life. So dito i-highlight natin na red is so bold and it really inspires me to act upon these things and overcome coincidentally. So red, something I associate with my advocacy for children's rights. So I really love the team and I can't wait to see what we can do with this in the finals. So ang dami talaga niyang sinabi dito sa kanyang interview, no? That's why let's move sa kanyang working background as an events host. So as you can see in this picture, may experience na siya sa pag-host mapa local man, regional, or even sa mga national pageants. So nakikita ko siyang mag-host na very fluent talaga siya mag-deliver ng kanyang kung ano yung gusto niyang sabihin. Tapos, organize siyang mag-host, malinis siyang mag-host. So, this is an advantage para kay Annabel. It's because she can really communicate well sa kanyang public speaking skills. So, as a contestant representing the Philippines in international beauty pageants, kahit mga candid interviews o kaya kapag babatuhan siya ng mga medyo challenging question, kayang-kaya niyang maitawid kasi isa ito sa mga experiences niya na nakapagbigay sa kanya ng more confidence, lalong-lalo na ngayong sumasabak siya sa Miss Globe. Kaya naman, dito sa kanyang performance sa preliminary competition ng Miss Globe 2025, kitang-kita yung kalma ng kanyang eksena. Yung pag-strut niya sa runway, wala ka talagang mararamdaman or makikita na signs of awkwardness or hindi siya ninenervyos talaga. Yung bang basing from her experiences, yung kanyang training, tapos yung confidence level talaga nasa 100%. So kitang-kita nyo ang linis ng kanyang pagrampa sa stage na yan using that bold gown na sinuot niya na hindi yung gown ang sumuot sa kanya. Pagdating naman sa kanyang national costume, makikita natin yung fullness, the richness of yung kultura natin, no, the heritage of the Philippines. Makikita natin yung kanyang overall creative design wherein pinapamalas niya kung gaano kagaling ang mga Filipino designers sa paggawa ng ganyang mga costume, hindi lang sa gown. So kitang-kita nyo rin yung kanyang aura na napaka-positive habang yung confidence level din niya ay hindi mo makikitaan talaga na alam mo yun, yung very stagnant. Talagang very alluring yung eksena niya dyan. Kargadong-kargado na talaga sa pageantry experience si Annabel. It's because yung mga notable na sinalihan niya una sa Binibining Pilipinas, where ngayon nire-represent niya ang Philippines sa Miss Globe. Pero meron din siyang sinalihan mga ibang national pageants such as Miss Universe Philippines where she placed as first runner-up and then appointed as the representative ng Pilipinas sa Miss Charm. So during that time, nung sumabak siya sa Miss Charm, yung performance niya din ay isa sa mga standouts. Kaya naman, no wonder naging first runner-up siya sa international competition na yan. So dito sa experience pa lang, marami na siyang baon. And another advantage ito para sa kanya na pwedeng makatulong sa pag-represent ng Philippines for the second time sa kanyang international pageant stint sa Miss Globe 2025. By the way, the finals night of the Miss Globe pageant will be on October 15, 2025. So since mas nauna yung time zone natin dito sa Manila, Hong Kong, Singapore, Taipei, Mongolia. For sure, October 16 na ng madaling araw. And then, eto nga pala yung format ng final show ng Miss Globe. So, yung first cut is top 21. And then, yung second cut, top 10. Tapos, yung top 5 finalists na yan. So, dyan ihihirang yung mga runners-up. Tapos, yung maka-crown na winner. Kaya good luck, Miss Annabelle McDonald representing the Philippines. Magkakaroon ulit ako ng final review after the pageant. So, syempre no, hindi ko kaya magpuyat during that time kasi masyado ng sobrang gabi na yan at madaling araw na. So, anyway, thank you and have a nice day.